From phones to computers to smart TVs, our digital lives are always connected. And the more connected we are to the internet, the more important it becomes to protect our data and privacy. Seed4Me VPN encrypts your internet traffic and sends it through a secure private tunnel. But if something isn't configured correctly, data can escape outside the VPN tunnel. These leaks can include DNS leaks, IPv6 leaks, WebRTC leaks, and real IP exposure. Leaks don't target one device, they can affect every platform you use. With the right setup, Seed4Me VPN helps stop leaks and protect your privacy.
First, what is a VPN leak? A VPN leak happens when part of your internet traffic bypasses the VPN tunnel and uses your regular internet connection instead. When this happens, sensitive data, such as your IP address, location, device information, and browsing activity can be exposed, even while the VPN app appears to be connected. VPN leaks are common, and in most cases, they can be fixed once you understand what causes them. IP address leaks. IP address leaks can happen if a VPN disconnects unexpectedly or reconnects improperly. In some cases, a VPN app may appear to be connected while the secure tunnel is not fully active. Always verify that your VPN connection is working correctly before you start browsing. Visit an IP checking website, such as iplocation.net, and confirm that the displayed IP address matches the VPN location, not your real one. IPv6 leaks. An IPv6 leak occurs when IPv6 traffic bypasses the VPN connection. Many devices and networks use IPv6 by default, but not all VPN support it. The safest solution is to disable IPv6 in your device settings. On Windows, open Network Settings, go to your active network adapter, open its properties, and uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. Then save the changes. On Mac OS, open System Settings, go to Network, select your active connection, open its advanced settings, set IPv6 configuration to off, and apply the changes. Location and GPS leaks. A VPN protects your IP address, but it does not hide your physical GPS location. Many apps, websites, and operating systems can still access your real location through GPS, Wi-Fi scanning, or device sensors. This means your location can be exposed even while your VPN is connected. VPNs and GPS are separate systems, and GPS data does not go through the VPN tunnel. For maximum privacy, always turn off GPS and location services while using a VPN. This helps ensure your real location stays private and cannot be linked to your online activity. DNS leaks. The DNS server translates website names into IP addresses, so your device knows where to connect. A DNS leak happens when these requests are sent outside the VPN tunnel to your internet service provider's DNS servers. This allows your browsing activity to be seen, even though your IP address is hidden. One of the key benefits of using Seed4Me VPN is that it automatically prevents DNS leaks, with no manual configuration required. All DNS requests are securely routed through VPN servers, keeping your browsing activity private and hidden from your internet service provider. To stay protected, simply connect to Seed4Me VPN and start browsing. You can verify your protection by running a DNS leak test on dnsleaktest.com. If the results show only VPN-assigned DNS servers or Google DNS, your connection is secure. If you see any DNS servers related to your real IP address, location, or country, restart the VPN and run the test again. You can also try switching to a different VPN server location. If the issue persists, we recommend setting Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS directly on your device. This can help prevent DNS leaks. Step-by-step instructions to change DNS servers are available in the video description. WebRTC Leaks. WebRTC leaks are different from DNS leaks because they happen inside your web browser, not at the VPN level. Even when you're connected to Seed4Me VPN, WebRTC can still reveal your real IP address unless it is blocked. WebRTC is enabled by default in most modern browsers, which is why extra steps are needed to prevent leaks. The easiest and recommended solution is to use the WebRTC control extension. This method works on all major browsers, including Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox, and it is much simpler than changing advanced browser settings manually. Just install the WebRTC control extension from your browser's extension store and make sure it is enabled. Once enabled, the extension blocks or restricts WebRTC automatically, preventing your real IP address from leaking. WebRTC leaks are browser-based and not caused by the VPN itself. By using the WebRTC control extension, you can easily keep your real IP address hidden while browsing with Seed for Me VPN. Browser fingerprinting. Even when you use a VPN, websites can still identify you using browser fingerprinting. This method collects details like your browser type, screen size, fonts, and system settings to create a unique profile. Browser fingerprinting does not reveal your IP address, but it can reduce your anonymity online. This tracking happens at the browser level and is not blocked by a VPN alone. To reduce fingerprinting, use privacy-focused browsers that limit tracking by default. You can also browse in private or incognito mode, which helps reduce stored data and tracking signals. For better privacy, avoid unnecessary browser extensions. Keep your browser updated and prefer privacy-focused browsers whenever possible. Online privacy depends on more than just turning on VPN. It requires understanding how leaks happen and making sure your connection is properly protected. By preventing DNS, IPv6, WebRTC, IP address, and other leaks, you reduce the risk of exposing your data, location, and identity online. Always verify your connection. Keep your VPN and devices updated, and use privacy-focused settings across your apps and browsers. Seed for Me VPN helps secure your internet traffic across all your devices. But staying private also starts with awareness and good habits. Protect your connection, protect your data, and take control of your online privacy.